Statues have been built worldwide since ancient times. Statues not only serve as a reminder of what was, what is, and what the world may be, but they also play an important role in increasing tourism. Here are the world's 5 tallest statues. Number 1. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue. This is located in India's Gujarat region. The height of the statue is 182 meters. The Statue of Unity, which depicts Indian politician and independence reformer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 2. Spring Temple Buddha statue with a height of 128 meters. The Spring Temple Buddha is the world's second tallest statue. This statue is in China. Number 3. Kyaw Seik statue with a height of 116 meters. Kyaw Seik is the world's third tallest statue. This is in Myanmar. This Buddha statue was constructed in Sagaing Division, Myanmar, in 2008. Kyaw Seik, who stands on a 13.5-meter high throne, is one of the world's highest sculptures. Number 4. Statue of Belief with a height of 107 meters. The Statue of Belief is the fourth tallest statue in the world. This statue is in the Rajasthan state of India. The Statue of Belief is the world's highest Shiva statue. It was launched in 2020 and is located in Rajasthan, India. Number 5. Ushiku Dibutsu. Ushiku Dibutsu is the world's fifth tallest structure. The height of the statue is 100 meters. This statue is in Japan. It was created to commemorate the birth of Shinran, the founder of Buddhism's True Pure Land school. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing and informative videos.